1949, the Chinese government invaded and occupied my own country, East Turkestan, by Turkey. Then the East Turkestan was East Turkestan, but now it's like Xinjiang. Okay, Xinjiang, take one. Xinjiang, East Turkestan. The name changed to Xinjiang. Xinjiang is a colonial name, means new country, new territory. This is a flag for the own country. This is emperor. Its population more than 30 million. Uyghur on the East Turkestan. Now China's government is committing genocide against the Uyghur people. More than 3 million Uyghurs. More than 3 million Uyghurs, the concentration camp. This is two pictures. One of them, the concentration camp in East Turkestan. One of them is concentration camp World War II in Germany. And this is a prominent Uyghurs. Professor, journalist, artist, businessman, writer, musician, all the prominent Uyghurs sent in concentration camp. It's 48 ways to get to concentration camp. So I every Saturday and Sunday protesting here peacefully.